Okay, hi everyone. You're welcome to this unique special lesson. Today I have here Mr. MAJ, an accomplished musician, my friend, very good friend, who's going to be showing us some stuff, okay, on the piano. Get ready for an exciting time, a time of knowledge. You're going to learn a lot, okay, some very useful stuff that will make the big difference in your playing. All right, so Mr. MAJ, you are welcome.
Thanks for having me.
Yeah, awesome. So what do you have for us today, sir?
Okay, first of all, thanks for having me. I really didn't, expect you to call me, but it's a pleasure. Thanks for being here. So today, Waymaker, because everyone knows Waymaker now. So what I want to show today is basically the way a beginner will play it,
yes,
and the way a more advanced player will play the song,
that's
would approach
nice.
the song.
Yeah.
So a beginner knows the chords, right? But it hasn't quite got that feel and touch yet, So a beginner will play Waymaker like this. You can sing if you want.
Worship you. You are here, touching everyone. So escape out in the darkness. That is who you are. Hey, waymaker, miracle worker, promise keeper, light in the darkness. My God, that is who. And play like this inspires the singer as well.
Yeah, exactly. But you don't want to do it too much, guys. So you want to know, I'm just playing. If I was playing it in church, for example, I wouldn't get so busy.
Yeah.
At the beginning of the song.
Yeah.
I'll let the song breathe.
Yes,
first.
Very important.
But I'll still want me going.
Yeah. Amazing. Massive difference already.
See what I'm saying? See what I mean?
Oh, wow.
Then the chorus.
Go. Waymaker, miracle worker, promise keeper, light in the darkness. That is who you are. Say, waymaker, miracle worker, promise keeper, light in the darkness. That is who you are. Beautiful.
So all I'm doing there is adding colors, really. I'm not just stamping the chords.
The chords,
down.
yeah.
I'm letting it breathe, right? We did So if I call out the notes there, I just went. So what I played there was keyboard player. As you learn new tricks, don't get too excited to wanna show it off. Because let's be real.
I mean, it's like wearing 5 watches at the same time,
exactly.
or 10
you got 10 cars you want to drive at the same time.
Yeah.
It doesn't work like that. Remember, you have to be disciplined, right? This is all. We're all music ministers. We have to be disciplined. Let the Spirit of God lead you.
Yeah.
Don't want to show off all your skills. It's not about the skills. I always tell guys that I, the band, my guys that I play with, right? The average person, in fact, not the average person, most of the congregation do not have a clue what this is.
That's true.
No, only musicians know it.
That's true.
That's why only musicians. If you go to a church, only musician will be like, "Ooh, playing nice stuff." But just Auntie Grace in the crowd is just enjoying the music. He don't care if you're playing far chords or not. You're the one